So over here you can see that I have a drawing file, and now I'm just going to go around and grab in a text box and draw a text box right here. So I'm just going to go around over here onto the Wikipedia page of Google Drawings. So I'm just going to go around, select this text right here, press Ctrl C, get back to Google Drawings and paste it out right here. So once I paste it, you can see that the formattings have been copied along as well. So let's say I do not want the formattings, but I just want the text right there. So in that case, what I can do is I can go around over here. I'm just going to make a text box again, and I'm going to go to edit right here, and here you can see paste without formatting. The shortcut key is Ctrl Shift and V for this one. You can click on this, and over here now you can see that the text is copied out, but the formatting itself is not copied out. So this works for internal documents as well. So let me just go around, bold these things out right here. So let me just press Ctrl C and copy out everything, and press Ctrl Shift V right here. And now you can see that the bold and everything else is not there. Just the text has been copied out. And that is how you can paste out contents, that is paste out text contents inside of Google Drawings without formatting. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.